How to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error. First, all you need to do, just open ChatGPT, open your browser, and then once you're here, just click these 3 points and go to history, and then click clear browsing data, go to basic, and select all of those, and then select cookies, and that's it. Now click clear data. After that, right click on this bar here, click task manager, and here select your browser and right click on it and task, and that's it. Now just open it again, and here, if that doesn't fix it, all you need to do, just change your browser, just open any other browser you have and try to open ChatGPT, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.